A, red.
Red.
A red.
I.
Tie.
And.
And a fig.
Egg. Fig.
A red tie and a fig pie.
I. Pie.
Hello and welcome to Miss Sam's phonics class. We are learning set 1 digraph sounds, and in today's lesson we will learn digraph I.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. I.
Letter I and letter E together make long I sound, as in tie, as in untie.
I. As in tie.
I. Die. We are using UptoSix Phonics Plus app. Diagrams are colored with blue so that children can easily identify them.
I. As in untie.
I. Untie. Untie. Blending with the digraphs is just the same as we did blending with single sounds. We just need to know the sounds well.
I. As in flies. I. Flies.
Full eyes. Flies. Flies. Full is a consonant blend. In full, we can hear sound f and clearly. Whereas digraphs are 2 letters and a new sound. Full eyes. Flies.
I. As in fries. I. Fries.
Eyes. Fries. Fur is again a consonant blend. I. Tie.
I. As in lie. I. Lie.
I. Lie.
I. As in terrified.
Terror. If. Terrified. Terrified. Double letters make only one sound. Terrified.
I. As in pie. I. Pie.
Pie. Now, can you go on a treasure hunt and find more words with the digraph I? Take a notebook and a pencil and a storybook, any storybook or a newspaper, and look for I digraph words and note them down in your notebook. And don't forget to share your list with me. Let's read. Man. In
I. Necktie.
Necktie. Necktie.
A man in a necktie.
Untie.
I. Untie.
Untie a tie.
Tie.
Let's
Untie a
listen.
tie.
Untie a tie. A red.
Red.
A red tie.
Tie.
Children can practice writing these phrases too. A red tie. And a fig.
Fig.
A red tie and a fig pie.
I. Pie.
A red tie and a fig pie. A magpie on the is a tricky word. We will learn tricky words soon. A magpie on the
I.
pie.
Pie.
A magpie on the pie.
A magpie on the pie.
You can download the UptoSix Phonics Plus app to practice learning in an interactive manner. The magpie flew eyes.
Eyes. Flies.
The magpie flies and the man
Man.
cries.
Eyes. Cries.
Cries. The man cries.
The magpie flies and the man cries.
Oh my God. Fried.
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 Eggs.
Eggs.
And fries.
Fries. Fries.
That they have to eat now, right? Was it fun? Yes. So you will practice writing these sentences and you will collect more words with the digraph I. Keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye.